We are currently heading to Vancouver, Canada right now, and we are on a stopover for pee break, and I am so happy because it's snowing. Good evening. It's currently 8:47 p.m. and guess who's here? Stress na stress talaga. Look, it's my best. God. Okay, I'm walking away now. Okay, we are picking them up. There's Odyssey. Hi, they're here. How do you feel, Carmi? How was your flight?
Tired.
Would you like to see yourself?
Oh my god, I'm so very...
I'm wearing a Maui hoodie, sweats, and
How far is the house from here? How is
it takes approximately
5 minutes?
Hi guys. Hi guys. Oh, nostrils. Thank you. I have a pimple. It's ready to pop. So we are in the bus.
Your voice changed. She's a man.
We're gonna go get the rental car. I feel like this is too close. Hi.
What am I doing?
Hello.
Like on the day
My name is Hazel. My name is Hazel.
And Chelsea is my I don't want to offend anybody. I'll just say Chelsea's
Say it.
I don't want to offend anybody.
Say it. Say it.
You know.
What? I can't hear.
Chelsea's like my favorite.
I don't know if you guys can hear us because we are in the bus and we're at the end.
I have it now.
We're at the end of. You have to look here, okay, right here.
I know, I get it.
We're at the end of the bus, as you can tell. We're at the end. Okay, and we're by the vent, so I don't know if you can hear us. Like I said,
Chelsea's in the top ranking as my best cousin.
and let me see that double chin.
Go.
Okay. Check your room. Your room.
If there's a human in there,
I'm so proud of you.
Nah, this is the first time I heard it from you.
Wait, what is this?
For season 2?
Wait, wow!
Which one is
Season, grabe!
Sorry, Auntie, I tried to buy something for you, but I didn't know. So this is Kuya's. That's Gabriel. That's
Nice, Jay. Thank you.
hug me.
I'm gonna
cry.
Where?
wow, it's so perfect. Dad, her room is so nice.
The gangster. Alexa, your room. Thank you, Jake.
You're welcome, Kuya.
Yeah.
Wow.
It matches my mouth haze. Yeah, I have also like a sweater thing that I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna cry. Thank you.
Welcome to Ode&IanVlog. My name is Gabe and his name's Javen. And right now, I just got here and it's like cold a little. The local time is about 11:15, if you can see that. So right now, the girls are getting ready our bentos for tomorrow.
Hey! Spam girl, spam Judy. It's just me spamming it up. My socks, chip it up, gourmet.
Chelsea got ready the rice.
No rice, girl.
The rice girl, and she's just holding.
Please don't be wobbly.
So we're just doing nothing. We're waiting. I don't know what we're waiting for, but they're just getting ready everything.
I'm getting ready for Canada.
Canada. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What's the first thing you're gonna do when you go to Canada? Okay, let's go check in the kitchen. How do I zoom? So right now, they're just doing stuff.
Yeah.
This is our thing.
Oh yeah, this is the baon for tomorrow. Right here, chips, piece of water, juice, paper towel, toilet tissue,
Wow, we're so ready.
okay?
End it off here right now. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow or later. I don't know. Bye. Hey guys. So change zoom magnification. What? I don't know. It went away. Over here. There's an update on our bento boxes. It's really nice. Wow, gourmet. Just close the door on me. Hey guys. So, anyways.
Sure. Jay, I bought this.
Levi's, how much?
$19.
Wow. $19.
You know Auntie Millet don't like it?
Why? Because it's riff?
Yeah.
It's nice. It's called fashion. Look it up.
You know what he said?
Carms.
I look like a
Ouch, that's kind of harsh.
I'm gonna do it first.
Look it up, Carms. It's called fashion. It's right here. Back. She doesn't know where the light switch is, but it's okay. Why is it zooming in my face?
So organized.
So organized.
It's so weird. When I was here, okay,
Auntie doesn't care. It's okay. I'll care for you.
okay, so when I...
Anyways.
that's kind of not nice.
That's it. See you guys later. Goodbye. Us to you. Hello.
In the back.
Yeah, there's like 3. But there's Hazel May, Odyssey, and Jazel. Our driver today is Jose. Feel.
Officer Chelsea Wanderson.
So cold.
Hi, good morning. We are currently heading to Vancouver, Canada right now, and we are on a stopover for pee break, and I am so happy because it's snowing. Look at my background here, and look at the trees covered with that bit of snow there. And then this is our rental. Bam, it's perfect. And they're all in the bathroom. And hold on, Ian's calling. Hello, my lab. We're here na, and we're playing in the snow. Look, kuya. First time in history. Nice. First time driving in snow, pa jud. Tugno ka, madam. Very cold in the place. Alright, we are now waiting at the border. There's not that much people. There's only 1 lane open, and we are probably the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are the 6th car. So our first stop is Bruce Mountain. We're gonna go up to the mountain and ride the gondola. I don't think it's called a gondola. I think it is. I don't know. Sky ride. Yeah, sky ride. After that, we're gonna head to Capilano Suspension Bridge, and after that Vancouver Lookout, and then to the hotel. I just would like to document this because I'm pretty sure years from now we're going to remember this. It's their first time here in Seattle and Canada. TMI. I'm vlogging in here, said you're gonna fart.
It took us really long.
Why?
So yeah, bye, see you later.
We're going to ride that plane.
Plane?
Ride that one.
What is this called?
Sky Rocket.
Sky Rocket.
Rocket.
Guy. How are you?
Cold.
Can you give me a OOTD for today?
What up, guys? Today I'm rocking these AirPods, these gloves from Target, this jacket from PGA Golf Tour, this jacket from Ross, this jacket from Aeropostale, and this undershirt from Forever 21, and these pants from Adidas.
Yuck! Ka-dirty ba?
Ice cream. So very nice and so very cold.
I am her pole. But we're going up the Goose Mountain.
Yes.
Oh.
White sails can spot kind of just following the white paw prints. I want to watch some documentaries. You can do so at our Theater in the Sky, which is completely complimentary today.
Wow.
Alright guys, the building to the left of me is a chalet. On the top floor you can find Afternoon's Bistro as well.
Hello. We are in the waiting area. It's so cold, so we have to get some. We need to warm ourselves up. Javen got here as soon as we're done taking pictures. He said he can't help it, so I joined him. So he said it's cold. He want to go back to Maui already. I can't feel my feet. So we are now in our in the hotel that we are staying at overnight in Vancouver, Canada. We are staying at Four Seasons Hotel for the night, and the time right now is about 2 o'clock, and we needed to rest. So we decided to check in. We're supposed to check in later around 5 o'clock or 6, but we got so tired, so we needed to rest and just freshen up a bit, and then going out for lunch, and we'll probably have to just go around the area, stroll around and take pictures. So we did not end up going to the Capilano Suspension Bridge because Auntie said she's a little bit afraid going on that area because it's scary. So yeah, change of plans. We already did the Science World Center thingy. We were there for like probably just an hour. They got bored, so we left. So now we're here waiting for our room to be ready. Actually, Auntie and Uncle are checking in right now. As soon as that's done, they're gonna come get us, and then we're heading to the room.
What's on?
There's somebody in here. Oh my god.
So nice the room. That's our other room.
Yay! Alright, we are heading to another room. Oh wow, Kuya, this is another room?
No. Connect the shop.
Oh, it's a connected room. Okay, so this is the first room. Room number 1714. And then it's connected to our room. 1712. And there's a door to get to both rooms. So it's a connecting room. So this is how it looks like. When you walk in, you see this dresser right here with a Keurig and 2 bottles of waters that costs freaking $8 each. Lamp.
Is this my room?
No, that's your bed right there. And this is the room. It's big.
Call it for room service.
2 beds, 2 queen bed, actually full bed, and then a TV, and then a sofa bed. So this is where Javen's going to sleep. 2 girls. Another 2 girls, so it's probably me and Hazel, Chelsea and Giselle, and then this will be Javen, and then the other room will be Auntie and Uncle. This is our bathroom. Oh, it's big. It's a big room. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Wow. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye. And the sisters are chatting and like chatting.
You're gonna get in trouble.
Huh?
Did you hear what I just said, honestly? Just, what did you buy me?
Ay, ubos ang mall, sister. Dili taas.
Obos.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go on the back part.
Yeah, she said.
Harbor, it's nice.
Uncle said
Harbor, the one by Stanley Park?
Uncle said I
Yes,
could
you
buy
can
that
walk around.
Sprint it. I don't
Behind
have
the
any
wall,
money.
there's a harbor.
I know.
And then on
Is
the
that far
ground
away?
floor,
No, it's right across.
Okay, I like by Sprint.
Mom, cheers.
Harbor. Hindi remember harbor.
Harbor.
Why did you put gummy bears with sparkling stuff?
Yeah.
So, Auntie got lazy to vlog the whole day. Literally the whole day.
The whole day half.
But it was a whole day. We are at Queen Elizabeth Park. And this is a scenic lookout, and it's really nice. And typical, she wants a picture by herself. And here's my fam. Say hey. And it's really nice. And these are my crew. This is my crew. This is Juan. This is Cinco, and this is 2. Juan Cinco 2. This is me and my crew. Cheese one. Who's your friend?
Wilbur.
Oh my god, he's getting so mad. Are we vlogging partners? Hey. And after this, we're gonna go back to Seattle because actually ODC guys are over it, and we still want to go out on an adventure, but they're hating on us, and they're like, well, Uncle Say doesn't want to drive during the night. Screw, that's why. Whatever. It's okay. We're gonna get lost in Seattle.
You take the trolley and the train and the bus and the...
And this is Gabriel, and he bought some toys at Disney. And he's been taking pictures of them in every scenic route. And conclude. See you guys later. Bye. How do you stop this? Right here.
Make 'em drop.
Leaving Canada today. And I'm gonna get another. We had many fun times together in Canada, and we're going back to Seattle. So we will see you in Seattle, or maybe during the road trip. Goodbye.
Guys, we are at the border already, and
people that cannot pass
oh my gosh, what are they doing?
They cannot pass the border. They're immigrants. Shasha's just joking.
All right, so
Chelsea, oh my
here, Chelsea.
Look at this. Oh, here. United States of America.
It's beautiful. Welcome to the United States. You're so funny because of the sign. Yay! That was fast. That was like what, less than 3 minutes.
I'm AT&T. I'm blessed.
I know. Yay! Welcome, America. Okay, we're back. We're back in the United States of America. So that's how fun it is, and thank you God for the opportunity. Anyways, our driver's name is Jose. Josie.
Josie, or do you go by Jose? I mean, Jose, or do you go by Josie?
Josie.
And we have Carmelite in the back. And we have Javin Lee. Yeah.
All right, see you guys later. We're going to the premium outlet. Bye.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you,
Katugnaw! Katugnaw ang kalimutan. Nga nang enter man.